So there you go. There's Will's contact information. Now I'm going to open this up to questions. If you guys have any questions whatsoever for us, we're going to be on here for a little bit longer. And I'll start off with TikTok. Let me see here. TikTok people. Let me see. Questions for TikTok. Somebody said GRC beginner and advice. Okay, I don't know if they're still here, but ask me a question on that one. Okay, Javier says, what AI I think they mean certification. What AI certification should we be going for? At this point, I don't know that certifications are going to get you as far as like getting experience with it. And I would just be aware that there's different aspects of GRC of AI roles that you want to be mindful of at this point. There's from everything from actually building an AI from scratch, which is which is PhD level type scientist stuff, right? To those who are securing AI, to what other types of stuff out there. And this is the reason why I started to go into cloud, because there are some highly sought after cloud certifications for AI. One is AWS has one called AI Fundamentals, I think it's called. I don't recall what the actual name is. And then Azure has one. So at this point, especially if you're starting off, I mean, I'm just telling you what I'm doing is learning the basics of AI and all the fundamentals that you need to do. Go ahead, Will. Do you have anything to add to that question?
Yeah, I don't know if there are, at least right now, the AI certifications that the market is looking for, as in like just like what you would call like the equivalent of Security Plus or
Yes,
CISSP,
yeah.
right? But it is understanding and having a knowledge of how AI works and what it's designed to accomplish, and then how to really implement it in a way that both empowers the business and enables you to protect your data at the same time. Now, that being said, I think that there will be some movement in that space because that's just how things work. When there's a new technology, when there's a new capability, there will be certifications around that. What I have started doing is actually I'm going through the University of Maryland does a free certificate course on AI and career empowerment. And it literally talks you through like all the basic foundational principles of AI, of machine learning, and then all the different applications of it, and then how to think about it, how to implement it in your organizations, how to govern it. So I'll drop a link in the chat to it. But yeah, I think it's a free course that they offer. It's 10 modules and they have a quiz and they have videos, different instructors that are talking at it from a bunch of different perspectives. And I found it very informative, and it's recent enough to be applicable still. Like some AI courses, again, like it's moving so quick, it's hard to really keep up with all the different capabilities that are coming out with AI. But I think that's a good course, a good certificate program that you go into, and it's free of charge. Like you just enroll and then get it popping. I'm gonna look for that link and then drop it in the chat.
Okay. Security expert put Perplexity gives you access to all the top AI models in the world. $200 subscription. I know that. Let me see AI. So I know OpenAI is I know they have certifications. They have certifications on learning their particular brand of AI. But they're also about to open up expand their university, an academy on OpenAI, and then try to link people up with appropriate vendors. So that's something they just recently announced. Like this stuff is moving so fast. As far as open AI certifications, Amazon has one. They have 2 different tiers of one. Microsoft has one in Azure, 2 different tiers. I don't know how, like Will was saying, I don't know how sought after they are, right? There, it's not like getting an AWS SAA or an AWS specialization in security. It's not to that level yet. It's known, but Google also has a certification. But again, it's such a new this is also new that it just hasn't had that much market penetration yet. So right now, you want to think about the skills surrounding AI, which include the cloud, surrounding cloud technologies. I know that knowing certain scripting languages and software programming languages lend themselves to, like Python. If you know Python, that's going to help you out a little bit. So there's certain skills that you could get into, but we're all it's so freaking new that all of us are kind of diving into this